You don't need fancy paid indicators or strategies to succeed in trading, whether it's Forex, crypto, or stocks. The real key is choosing a solid strategy, sticking with it, and mastering it. Consistency and discipline are what make the difference, and you might be surprised at how even the most basic strategies can turn a profit. Let me show you a simple approach I've been using, which involves just two free and easy to use indicators. Trust me, keeping things simple can still be very profitable. So let's jump right in. First, add the HMA breakout buy sell indicator to your TradingView chart. I know what you're thinking, which time frame should you use? No worries, I've got that covered. I find that the hourly and higher charts work wonders for this strategy. But if you're curious about other time frames, you'll need to do some back testing on your own. Since I can't try out every chart and time frame, you're going to love this indicator. It's simple but very effective. Here's how it works when the moving average line turns green. That's your buy signal. And when it turns red, it's time to sell. Pretty slick, right? The best part is that this indicator works well for both intraday trading and scalping. To make sure you're getting the most out of this tool, let's fine-tune the settings. Open the indicator settings and change the trade type to scalping if you're working with less than 15-minute charts, and intraday if you're choosing to go for higher time frames like 1 hour and above. Then make the indicator lines easier to read by adjusting the colors and thickness in the style section. This will help you quickly spot buy and sell signals. With these settings optimized, keep an eye on the indicator line. When it changes from white to green, that's your buy signal. And when it turns red, it's time to sell. The white line represents a no trade zone, so wait for a clear green or red signal before entering a trade. One key aspect of this strategy is understanding the significance of the white lines. When the indicator lines are white, it's best to hold off on trading and wait for them to turn green or red before making a move. The indicator is great at generating signals, but it's not immune to false signals, especially in counter trend situations. That's why relying on just one indicator isn't always ideal. Before we move on to the second indicator, let's take a quick pause. If you haven't subscribed to the Income Nomad channel yet, you're missing out. We've shared hundreds of profitable trading strategies, plus a free trading course from A to Z, and subscribing ensures you won't miss any future content. Plus, you can dive into our entire library of videos to deepen your trading knowledge. All right, back to the strategy. Let's introduce the next tool in our trading arsenal, the 10 indicators in one indicator. As the name suggests, it combines 10 popular indicators like moving averages, MACD golden crosses, and RSI to refine your signals. This tool helps weed out questionable signals from other indicators, making your trades more reliable. Don't worry about tweaking the settings too much. We'll keep it simple but effective. In the input section, no number changes are necessary. However, in the Style tab, we'll turn off pullbacks and disable the pivot option to streamline performance. Now that everything's set, let's talk about how to use this dynamic duo of indicators to maximize your trading potential. When all components of the 10 indicators in one turn green, it signals bullish momentum, which means it's a good time to consider buying. Conversely, when everything turns red, it signals bearish momentum, suggesting a sell might be in order. Remember our HMA breakout indicator. When it shifts from white to green, that's a potential buy signal, but before entering the trade, make sure all the 10 indicators in one component are also green. Once you have that full green alignment, you can confidently place your trade. Next, let's set up your stop loss. Place it just below the most recent swing low in the market to protect yourself from unexpected market shifts. For your profit target, aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1-to-1 if you want to scalp with it, or 1-to-2 for hourly time frames and higher.
Ready to take your trading to the next level? If you're tired of trading with limitations and want to unlock your full potential, listen up, this could be a game changer for you. Imagine trading with up to $300,000 at your disposal and keeping up to 95% of the profits. That's exactly what Funded Next offers. And the best part? You're in control. No trading deadlines, just pure opportunity. Plus, with raw spreads and the lowest commissions, every trade is set up for success. Worried about payouts? Funded Next guarantees you'll get paid within 24 hours, or they'll top it off with an extra $1,000. Don't miss out. Join over 81,000 traders worldwide who are already making their mark. Click the link above or in the description to sign up, get funded, and start trading like a pro today.
Now for sell trades, if the HMA breakout indicator turns from white to red, that's your cue for a potential sell signal. But just like with the buy trade, make sure all components of the 10 indicators in one are red before entering the trade. This double confirmation will help ensure you're trading in line with the market's momentum. Set your stop loss just above the most recent swing high and stick to the same 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 risk reward ratios according to your time frame for your profit target. Let's go through some examples so you can see how the 10 indicators in one help filter out those pesky falls or counter trend signals. In one case, the HMA breakout shows a white to red signal indicating a sell, but the 10 indicators in one aren't red, so it tells us to wait. The same goes for the next signal. It's still green, so no sell just yet. Pretty impressive, right? That's the power of using both indicators in real life trading. Aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. We've tested this strategy and achieved a 91% win rate on Bitcoin's 1-hour chart, but honestly, I haven't just stuck to a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. What I did was to combine it with the classic price action as the main picture and use my own customized feed levels. If you want to see how that works, combine whatever you've just learned here and combine it with the knowledge in the fib levels video suggested on your screens. And believe me, this is going to be your very first plus 90% win rate trading strategy ever. But if you're looking for an even simpler strategy, check out the recommended video on your screen. It might be exactly what you need to level up your trading.